What up, free bosses? In this video, I'm gonna show you 20 different Facebook audiences that you can use to target gift givers. So this means that you're gonna target these people with the intention of selling them on buying your product to give it to somebody else as a gift. But first, before we jump into that, I wanna tell you about 3 different things. The first thing is that I have a 100% completely free course where I teach you Facebook ads, copywriting for sales copy, email marketing, and ClickFunnels. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a software that allows you to build out sales funnels. And you can jump into this completely free course if you visit freebosslifestyle.com. The link is below in the description. The second thing is if you want a free ClickFunnels subscription, there's a link below that if you sign up for a ClickFunnels account using that link, you'll get a free 2-week subscription. The third thing is that you need to subscribe to this channel. If I bring you value in the next 5 minutes of watching this video and you like these Facebook audiences that I'm about to show you, then you need to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave a comment below letting me know what you think and if any of these worked and if you have a favorite audience in mind. So check the links below in the description, click on all 3 of them, click on the subscribe link, click on get that free ClickFunnels subscription, and definitely jump into the free course at freebosslifestyle.com. So let's jump into the tutorial video now so I can show you these 20 Facebook audiences. Now, where it all really goes down is here in this audience box. So we're not gonna really talk about custom audiences. We're not gonna talk about locations, age, gender. I mean, those could come into play, but it's not the biggest deal right now. This is really what we're going to talk about, and it's really available to anybody. These audiences, anybody can use them, so that's the really great thing about them. So first, what we want to do is create qualifying audiences. Now, what I refer to as a qualified audience is like if they are inside one of these audiences, and these audiences are massive, by the way, if they're inside one of these audiences, then chances are that they are a buyer, they shop online, they have money to spend, they are active credit card users, they buy stuff online and they're active online. So one that everybody knows about, I mean, if you don't really know about this one, then you're about to know about this one, but it's called engaged shoppers. Now, see how it has 350 million people inside this audience? So basically, qualifying audiences means that you're gonna select this one, and then you're gonna narrow down the audience using other qualifiers. So right now, I'm just gonna show you a couple of these qualifying audiences that you can use. So engaged shoppers is one. Another one is active credit card user. You type in active credit card user, as you can see there, it's got 120 million people in there. You could also use primarily credit cards, premium credit cards, things like that. Active credit card user, it shows that it's not going to be available for much longer. We don't really know how long that is. Facebook doesn't tell you how much longer it's going to be available, so it could be available still when you're watching this video, and it may not be. Who knows, So active credit card user is one. You can also do top spenders. So again, 33 million people, it's a pretty big audience. This is like Facebook's way of finding out those people that have engaged with a lot of ads, have bought a lot of things from Facebook, have triggered and fired a lot of those purchase conversions, and basically have purchased from a Facebook ad in the past. So I definitely recommend top spenders to test against, see how that one's gonna work for you. This one I use in a lot of my campaigns, Amazon.com. Again, it's just a qualifier to really target those people that are actively buying online and from Facebook ads. So using Amazon.com, just because you're not selling it on Amazon.com, like you may be driving them to a ClickFunnels order page, or you may be driving them to your Shopify site or your any other sales channel. I would recommend at least those 2. Don't use Wix, don't use I don't know, there's a ton. Don't use WordPress for selling stuff online. Use ClickFunnels or Shopify, things like that. Another one is online shopping. So as you can see, there's 1 billion people inside this one. So people are interested in buying shit online. So this is a good one to also use as a qualifying question. Now we're gonna narrow these down. So again, you don't have to put all of these in the same box. I'm just putting them in there so that you can see that. You can definitely maybe do Amazon.com and maybe active credit card user, maybe 1 or 2 of these at most, because again, these are gigantic audience sizes. So now we're going to hit narrow audience, and we're going to use some of these other ones that are more around gift giving. So first thing we can type in is anniversary. Oh, I can't spell. So I'm just going to copy that to show you, you got anniversary within basically a month to 2 months, and within 2 to 3 months, and within a month. So you can select any one of these 3, and in your Facebook ad, you can say, you want to refer to them buying this product as a gift. So you can say, this gift makes a great anniversary present. This is a great gift idea. Do you know anyone with an anniversary right around the corner? You got to be careful with your copy, because Facebook may disapprove some of your ads if you say certain things. But you can say, know any friends of yours that are celebrating an anniversary soon? You can test around with different copy just to see what Facebook is going to let you get away with, basically. Another audience that you can do is upcoming birthday. So you got here 57 million people. So this is the actual person, like the person that's going to see this ad is their upcoming birthday. So you can say, treat yourself to this gift, or if your birthday is right around the corner, this makes a great birthday gift. With this one, you're going to target somebody that has a birthday around the corner, but maybe they know somebody as well that has a birthday coming around the corner. So again, it's just an option for you. I have this little list up here on this other screen, so I'm checking out that one. So another idea, right now it is July 24th, but you can put birthday in, birthday in July, birthday in May, birthday in December. So again, this is going to be targeting the person that's going to see this is going to actually have their birthday in July. So you can say treat yourself, or get yourself a gift for your birthday. I mean, so the better one, because you're targeting the person. Usually people don't buy themselves gifts. I mean, some people will treat themselves. Sometimes it's like a little excuse for them to buy something, oh, it's my birthday, I got myself a birthday present. You can use that kind of thing. But an even better one is when you type in friends of. Now there's a lot of audiences that you can see with friends of. So close friends of people with birthdays in a month, close friends of birthdays of friends with of men with birthdays in 7 to 30 days, close friends of people with birthdays in a week. Typically that is, unless you do fast shipping, or maybe it's a digital product, they'll get it immediately. That one may be a tough one, because you got 5 to 7 days of shipping time, and they need to get it pretty quick, right? So close friends of men with birthday in 7 to 30 days, that's going to allow for your shipping time. And knowing that it's men, maybe you have a product that more appeals to men. Maybe your product is more about grilling or beer drinking or football and sports and stuff. So you would want to target close friends of men who have a birthday coming soon. So then in your ad copy, you can say, know somebody that has a birthday coming around the corner, know somebody that this would make a great gift for. Did you know this is one of the #1 gifts that people love to receive for their birthday? There's an idea of ad copy that you can use. So you got close friends of women, men, so you got just different time frames of friends of. So friends of is going to open up a whole lot of things. Friends of recently moved. A lot of people love to get moving gifts. So if you have some kind of gift that could be relating to when you get a new place, they're going to want to buy this gift or this product that you're selling, then that would be a great one to target. And it's got 57 million people. So again, these are all around gift giving, newlyweds, newly engaged folks. I'm not sure what BJP is. Friends of NRA, Friends of Coal. Interesting. Wouldn't recommend using that one, but Friends of Coal. Maybe that's a band? Not really sure what that is. But friends of, typing in friends of opens up a whole lot of opportunities there. And then you have the wedding anniversary. So you can type in wedding Ann, and you got wedding anniversary right here. So if they're interested in wedding anniversaries, or they have a wedding anniversary maybe coming up, or they know somebody, you can test targeting this audience to see if that is going to work for you. And maybe this will help spawn off other ideas with audiences that you can target. So one thing that you can do is if you type in, let's say, the whole friends of thing. So let's say friends of recently moved, right? You have that in there, then you can hit suggestions and you can get some more ideas here. So newlywed, 6 months, 3 months. You can give, write your ad copy around targeting people to give gifts to the newlyweds. This makes a great newlywed gift. This is a great marriage gift to give somebody. Do you know anybody? Here's a 20% off coupon for the next 2 days. Expires in 2 days, and it's perfect for that newlywed couple. You can do things like that. Close friends of people with birthdays in a week. So there are roughly 20 ideas. Again, you can use your qualifying audiences as a way to make those people even hotter in the chances, higher likelihood that they're going to actually buy something online because you're qualifying them. And then they also have friends or people that are in their life that either have a birthday, anniversary, or something around gift giving and things like that. So test out these audiences, and remember the 3 things that I talked about in the beginning of this video. Go to freebosslifestyle.com, sign up for that 100% free course that I have. Again, you're going to learn how to build sales funnels and ClickFunnels. You're going to learn more about Facebook ads and the audiences and how to build things out in Facebook ads. You're going to learn about copywriting. So copywriting for email marketing, for landing pages, for Facebook ads, for all different types of things. There is a ton of information in that free course. Go to freebosslifestyle.com. If you want 2 weeks free of the ClickFunnels software, then the link is in the description. Click that link, sign up for an account. You'll get 2 weeks free, and then you could even start, open up another account. If you just wanted another 2 weeks and you're not ready to buy it, you can open up another account with another email address, and you can close out the previous account. And then the third thing is subscribe to this channel. If you got value and you learned some cool little audience that you've never thought of before, subscribe to this channel. I got a whole bunch of videos that I'm constantly posting just like this around Facebook ads, online marketing really, ClickFunnels, copywriting, all that kind of stuff. I want to teach you a ton to help you grow your business, grow your clients' businesses, and really be a lot more sophisticated of an internet marketer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment, and we'll chat soon. Peace.